Something just... Oh my god! Oh my god! No! I was beginning to like her! No! Denji, wake up! Oh my god! Hi, how are you YouTube? Welcome to another Chainsaw Man reaction. This one is episode 8. If you're liking my reaction so far, don't forget to please leave a like and subscribe, and also check out my Patreon for the uncut, unfiltered version as well. Any support would be really appreciated. So yeah, I've been enjoying this series so much. The last episode was kind of weird though, but yes, really excited. I hope they show me what the gun devil looks like. I really want to see what he looks like. Oh yeah, the last episode was Himeno bringing Denji, yeah, to her place. Oh. She's so drunk. She's so drunk. What is she doing? She's so cute. Oh my god. I feel like she's done this before. Like she's probably brought Aki home. Or maybe like Aki bringing her home. What is she doing? Oh, she's taking a shower? Oh my god, when I'm drunk, I don't even have like the mental capacity to take a shower. I feel like the shower would be a dangerous place for me to be at. Like I'm really clumsy, so I would fall down. Maybe she's not that drunk. Nah, she is. Look at the way she's moving. Oh, she forgot about Denji. She forgot about him. She didn't even remember she brought this guy home. Oh, I like the animation. It's kind of like first person POV. Dude, oh my god, I've never seen this in an anime before. He said water, not more alcohol. Cooked. Cute. The poor guy is just dying there. So cute. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. She's so adorable. I like her a lot, to be honest. Hello? What is she? I hope she was joking though. Because like, thanks to the previous episode, I just noticed that Denji is a minor. I always thought he was maybe in his 20s, you know? But no, they said in the previous episode he's 16. And weird. Oi. Eh? Yo. Denji, what are you doing? Denji! No! Himeno! Dude, I do not like this. This is weird. I don't feel comfortable here. No, I feel like this is like taking advantage of the poor kid. I mean, she's really pretty though. But no. There's no way. Oh my god. Can I show this on YouTube? Yo, I don't think so. Chill. No. Oh my god. Aki, come here. Aki. Dude. Eh? Eh? Wait, are we having like some flashback, or was he dreaming all this the whole time? Oh, that's so nice of Makima.
ソみてえなファーストキスしちまいました。俺はこれからいろんな女性とキスをしてもきっとキスのたびにケロの味を思い出す。 No, he's so traumatized. No. Eh? Oh, indirect kiss. I see what you're doing, Makima.
多分一生ゲロの味は忘れられないよ。デンジ君はこれから死ぬまで いろんな初めての味を体験する。
That's actually good advice.
思い出してる暇なんてないよ。
Wait, I don't understand. I don't know. The whole episodes I've been watching so far, Makima is actually nice. I don't know. I haven't really seen anything that makes her evil. With the way everyone was saying, "Oh my god, Makima is so evil," you know?
ファースト関節キスはチュッパチャップスのコーラ味だね。
Oh, eh? What happened? What happened?
悪いな、ポチタ。お前もエッチしたかったろ。
He rejected her?
俺、初めてはマキマさんがいいんだ。
Oh my
銃の悪魔
god!
ぶっ殺すまで。
This is why I love Denji so much. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, that's so nice.
それまでは。
Oh my god, he's so adorable.
おはよう。朝ごはん食べれる？
This is awkward, to be honest.
食う飯はうめえな。
昨日の夜私酔ってて何も覚えてないんだけど、私に乱暴なことされなかった？
誰がゲロンだ厄介。俺は初めてはマキマさんって決めたんだ。
Why would he tell her
よ
that?
かったよかった。未成年に手出したら逮捕だからね。逮捕。
Okay, Himena is actually a menace when she's drunk, though. I mean, I am as well. Anytime I get drunk, I always tend to like kiss people. But still, Jesus. No minors, though.
デンジ君は変わってるね。普通この状況とか気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど。
は
Eh?
あ
Why?
ただ飯食えるのになんで帰るんだよ。
For real, though. Like, why?
あの性格がクソでも好き？
クソ好き。
Hmm? What does she mean?
私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか。
マジ？
私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないか。
え？
マキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ。私とアキ君
Aki! Okay, that's a good deal. That's a good deal.
あいつんどこ好きなの？
顔。
あー、いいぜ。乗った。
じゃあ今日から私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて友達で行こう。
Oh, okay. This is nice. Oh my god. The quality of the animation is actually really, really nice, though. Like, I feel like each episode they put in so much effort into the, you know, the drawing. It's insane.
たまに朝食べに来なよ。マジンちゃんとアキ君を連れてね。
マキマさんも来ねえかな。
I feel like they mixed up in real life and anime together for it to look so realistic like this or like so detailed. Oh, she's going to Kyoto. Yeah. Kyoto.
あと30分ですね。
みんな怖いんだもん。
Eh?
ご飯は穏やかな気持ちで食べたいのに。
Makima is intimidated by people.
美味しかった。
She liked it! She liked it. That's so nice. Oh my god, Makima is actually really nice. What the? Eh, what was that? Did you guys see that? Something just. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! I was beginning to like her!
こちら C 班
What?
こちら C 班開始。
No! Oh my god! Oh, thank god it's not the end of the episode. No! I was beginning to like her. What the hell? Wait, that's it? I don't get to hear about Makima's lore backstory. Wait, why is the music like this? Hmm? What's going on? Oh my god, there's a gun! No! Oh my god! Are these like terrorists? Wait.
この音。
知らんとは愚かじゃの。太鼓の音じゃ。
What? Wait. I don't get to see Kobeni's power either? Oof. Not gonna lie, I'm getting pissed though.
意外と紳士なんだよ、デンジ君は。
Who the hell is that?
誰？
普通にうめえけどな。
まあ仕方ないことだ。
Who's
幼少期
that?
に同じような味のもんしか食べてないと舌がバカだと幸福度が下がる。俺のじいちゃんは世界一優しくてな。い
Okay.
いもん食わせてもらったな。
Okay,
じ
bro.
いちゃんヤクザだったけど正義のヤクザでさ。
Why is he like trauma dumping right now?
女子供も数えるほどしか殺したことないんだと。
Only killed a handful of women. Really? Really? Am I supposed to clap for him that he didn't kill a lot? What the hell am I listening to?
約売った金で欲しいもん何でも買ってくれてさ。
Okay.
みんなに好かれた。江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
Oh my god! It's the guy that was taking advantage of Denji since the beginning. Kill this one.
何のつもりだ。
Get rid of the kid. Get rid of the son.
てめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Oh my god, why is everyone just eating the bullets? Oh my god, Denji. Himeno!
私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。
Eh?
あくまでもない。
What the hell is that? Wait. Oh my god, he's just like Denji. Well, instead of like a chainsaw, it's a katana or machete? I don't know. But it looks really cool. Oh.
さあ、
Huh? 3? What is the number? Oh, maybe the guy has like 3 lives with the contrast he made with the demon. Maybe. Okay. Oh shit.
ゼロ。
Oh, it's Aki's. It's Aki's demon. Oh my god, wait, you can have multiple contracts with demons? I didn't know that. I thought he only had like the, what's it called? The fox one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy, that's it? Holy shit.
姫野先輩は銃を使っていやがった。日本
And?
は警察とデビルハンター以外。
Oh, yeah, true. In Japan, you're not allowed to have a gun. I keep forgetting there's actually a thing in Japan.
なのに、
てめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
姫野先輩の治療は。
呪いの悪魔。
ん？
その持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬ。あんた、いい動きだったね。
What the hell is that? What is she doing? What is she doing? Is she checking if he's dead? Oh my god, he's not dead yet. What the? What is she doing?
どうして負けた？
油断した。マジで油断した。
Eh? Oh! Wait, please don't kill Aki. Please. No! Chill. No. I actually started getting attached to Aki. Chill. Come on, someone bring out the cameras and say this is a prank.
デビルハンターのスーツは頑丈だからな。とどめを刺して。
What the hell is this girl?
アキ君を助けて見えんかったもん。
Oh shit.
ゴースト。
あの女、恐ろしい。
Even the ghost is afraid of it. And Himeno is dying. What about Denji? Can't he just heal up? Wait, what? What is she thinking?
私の全部をあげるから。ゴーストの全部使わせて。
Oh my god, no. No! She's going to die! No! Denji, wake up! Oh my god, why is he still asleep?
泣く
Oh.
ことができる。
Oh, so this is Himeno's demon.
身近な死になりすぎて涙が出なくなる。アキ君はすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかはだから面白かった。
Oh.
嬉しいだろうな。
Her. Oh my god, I forgot how to talk. Sorry. Her arm just left. So that means if he defeats her demon, it's GG, she dies. Oh my god. What is it? Oh my god, please, blonde girl. What the hell?
死なないでね。私が
Oh my
死んだ
god,
時さ
no. No.
泣いてほしいから。
ヘビ丸飲み。帰れ。
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. Oh, the ending is like Aki going to her grave now. Oh, the music is actually really good though. Oh my god, my eyes are teary to be honest. My eyes are teary to be honest. I was getting attached to Himeno as well. So she's gone? Does she like come back? I hope she comes back. Okay. I'm going to go watch the next one. Who the hell is this blonde girl? Oh my god, I really hope they like kill her. Jesus Christ, what the hell is going on? Where is this attack coming from? I know they're going to explain it in the next episode, but still, it's just out of nowhere. Okay, if you guys are enjoying my reactions, if you're enjoying my reaction so far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and check out the Patreon for the unfiltered, uncut version as well. Thank you so much for hanging out.